In this video, we're checking out Solvr, a free AI tool that can help you find answers to pretty much any question instantly. Ever been stuck on a tough homework question? Or needed quick answers during an online exam? Solvr's got you covered. This Chrome extension uses Google's advanced Gemini 1.5 Flash AI to tackle any question you throw at it. Here's how it works. Simply screenshot a question, type it in, or right-click selected text. Solvr then serves up instant, clear answers. I tested it myself with a tricky golf question, nailed it in seconds. But Solv's not just for multiple choice. It can break down complex problems step by step. I threw a 9th grade physics problem at it, and boom, not only did I get the right answer, but also a full explanation of how to solve it. The best part, Solvr is completely free. Just grab it from the Chrome Web Store, pin it to your browser, and you're set. You can find the link to Solvr in the description below if you want to try it out yourself. Remember, while Solvr is a powerful study aid, it's important to use it responsibly. Don't forget to double-check its answers and use it as a learning tool, not a shortcut. That's all for today's AI tool. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI recommendations. See you in the next video.